Hello students, I am Sapna Sangode, Assistant Professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Pune. Welcome to these sessions. Today we are going to learn about glossary terms related to environmental science. The first term, estivation, a state of dormancy or inactivity adopted by some desert animals during hot and dry periods to conserve energy and water. Xeriscaping, landscaping and gardening practices designed to minimize water usage and promote drought-tolerant plants commonly used in desert regions to conserve water. Next, desertifications, the process by which fertile land becomes desert, typically due to climate change, overgrazing, deforestation, or unsustainable land management practices. Aquatic ecosystem, an ecosystem that exists in water, including freshwater ecosystems such as rivers, lakes, and wetlands, and marine ecosystems such as ocean, coral reefs, and estuaries. Freshwater ecosystem, aquatic ecosystems with low salt concentrations include rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, and wetlands. Marine ecosystem, aquatic ecosystems with high salt concentrations including ocean, seas, coral reefs, and estuaries. Phytoplankton, microscopic algae and other photosynthetic organisms that drift in aquatic environment, forming the base of the aquatic food chain and contributing significantly to global oxygen production. Zooplankton, tiny animals that drift or swim in aquatic environments, serving as important food sources for larger organisms and playing a crucial role in nutrients recycling. Benthic zone, the bottom layer of an aquatic ecosystem, including the sediment surface, that organisms that inhabit it. Pelagic zone, the open water area of an aquatic ecosystem, excluding both the bottom, which are their benthic, and shore, that is littoral zones. Estuary, a partially enclosed coastal body of water where fresh water from rivers and streams mixes with salt water from the ocean, characterized by high biological productivity and diverse habitats. Coral reef, a marine ecosystem formed by the accumulations of calcium carbonate secreted by corals, supporting a diverse array of marine life and providing essential ecosystem services such as coastal protections and fisheries habitat. Ocean acidifications. The ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's ocean, primarily caused by the absorption of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, with significant impact on marine ecosystems and organisms, particularly those with calcium carbonate shell or skeletons. Renewable resources. Sustainability. The ability to maintain or support processes over the long term without depleting resources. Solar panels. Devices that convert sunlight into electricity. Wind turbines. Machines that convert the kinetic energy of wind into mechanical power. Hydroelectric power. Electricity generated by harnessing the energy of flowing water. Biomass energy. Energy produced from organic materials like plant and animal waste. Geothermal energy. Energy obtained by tapping into the heat within the earth's crust. Renewable Energy Certificates RECS. Market-based instrument that represent the environmental benefits of generating electricity from renewable sources. Net metering, a system that allows residential and commercial customers who generate their own electricity from renewable resources to feed electricity back up into the grid. Feed-in tariffs, policies designed to encourage the adoption of renewable energy sources by guaranteeing producers a set price for the energy they generate. Fossil fuels. Natural fuels formed from the remains of living organisms, including coal, oil, and natural gas. Coal mining. The process of extracting coal from the ground. Oil drilling. The process of extracting oil from the earth. Natural gas fracking. A method of extracting natural gas from deep underground by fracturing rock formations. Mineral extractions. The process of mining minerals from the earth. Uranium enrichment. The process of increasing the percentage of uranium-235 isotope in uranium to make it suitable for use in nuclear reactors or weapons. Peak oil. The point at which the maximum rate of extractions of petroleum is reached, after which production is expected to enter terminal decline. Carbon emissions. The release of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere primarily from burning fossil fuels. Environmental degradations. The deteriorations of the environment through depletions of resources such as air, water, and soil. Resource management. The strategic planning and control of resources to ensure sustainability. Energy transition. The global shift from fossil-based systems of energy production and consumption to renewable energy sources. Carbon footprints. The total amount of greenhouse gases emitted directly and indirectly by human activities. Climate change. Long-term changes in temperature and weather patterns primarily due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels. Green technology. Environmentally friendly technology that helps conserve resources and reduce pollution. Energy efficiency. Using less energy to provide the same service or output. Sustainable development. Economic development that is conducted without depletions of natural resources. Circular economy. An economic system aimed at eliminating waste and the continual use of resources. Ecosystem services. The benefit that humans freely gain from the natural environment and properly functioning ecosystems. Renewable Portfolio Standards, that is called as RPS. Regulations that require increased production of energy from renewable sources. Terms related to biodiversity. Biodiversity, the variety of life in the world or in a particular habitat or ecosystem. Species diversity, the number of a different species and the abundance of each species within a specific region. Genetic diversity, the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of a species. Ecosystem diversity, the variety of ecosystems in a particular area or across the planet. Habitat, the natural environment in which a species lives and grows. Endemic species, species that are native to and found only within a specific geographic area. Invasive species, non-native species that spread rapidly and cause harm to native species, ecosystems, or human activities. Conservation biology, the scientific study aimed at protecting and managing biodiversity. Ecological niche, the role and position a species has its environment, including all interactions with the biotic and abiotic factors. Extinctions, the end of an organism or group of organisms, typically a species. Endangered species, species that are risk of extinction due to a sudden rapid decrease in their population or loss of their critical habitat. Biodiversity hotspots, regions that are significantly rich in biodiversity but are threatened by human activities. Ecosystem services, benefits provided by ecosystems that contribute to making human life both possible and worth living, such as clean air, water, pollinations of crops, and climate regulations. We are going to recap the terms which we have learned in this session, that is net metering, a system that allows residential and commercial customers who generate their own electricity from renewable resources to feed electricity back into the grid. Solar panels, devices that convert sunlight into electricity. Estuary, a partially enclosed coastal body of water where fresh water from rivers and streams mixes with salt water from the ocean, characterized by high biological productivity and diverse habitats. Zooplankton, tiny animals that drift or swim in aquatic environments, serving as important food sources for larger organisms and playing a crucial role in nutrient cycling. Marine ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem with high salt concentrations include ocean, seas, coral reefs and estuaries. Freshwater ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem with low salt concentration including rivers, lakes, ponds, streams and wetlands. Estivation, a state of dormancy or inactivity adopted by some desert animals during hot and dry periods to conserve energy and water. Thank you so much.